Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Hyundai Ioniq with its physical key. This process is vital for gaining entry when your key fob battery is dead or if electronic systems fail. We will cover finding the hidden key, using it in the door, and what to do next. This ensures you can always access your vehicle, even in unexpected situations, providing peace of mind. First, let's find that hidden key. Look for a small button, usually on the side or back of your Ioniq's key fob. Press and hold this button firmly. While holding it, gently pull the metal key blade straight out from the bottom or side of the fob. This physical key is your reliable backup for manual access to your vehicle. Now that you have the physical key, locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. It might be subtly integrated. Insert the metal key blade fully into this lock cylinder. Turn the key firmly either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your Ioniq model, until you hear or feel the lock disengage. The door should now open, granting you access. Successfully unlocking your Ioniq manually gets you inside. But remember, this doesn't power the car. If your key fob battery was dead, the vehicle's main battery might also be low. You may need to jump-start your Ioniq to get it running. Refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions on jump-starting your specific model safely and correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.